COVID cases are down slightly in Michigan, but hospitals are filling up fast. Good evening to you. Welcome to 7 Action News at 11. I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Dave LEWALLEN. The health department says many hospitals are at or near capacity tonight. Governor Whitmer is keeping a close eye on all the numbers. She says she wants to see a few more days of data before making a decision on whether to extend a ban on dine-in service at restaurants and bars next week.
Owners of those businesses are hoping they will be able to reopen, even if it means a compromise to cut more capacity. During a Zoom meeting today, they were warned defying the orders could cost them their licenses.
The state reported more than 7,000 new cases today. While there's a slight decline in recent days, the rate is still 5 times what it was 2 months ago.
St. Joseph Mercy Health System is implementing new restrictions tomorrow. No visitors will be allowed for adult patients in medical, surgical, and critical care. Exceptions may be made on a case-by-case basis.
And tonight, President-elect Joe Biden says he will ask Americans to wear masks for the first 100 days after he takes office.
Well, the governor says vaccines are offering great hope on the horizon tonight.
And now there's a push at the state capitol to get Michigan first in line when they're available.
7 Action News reporter Rudy Harper has more on the growing anticipation of a turning point in the pandemic. Rudy.
There's been more than 45,000 COVID cases here in Wayne County, and sadly more than 1,500 deaths. It's one of the hardest hit areas in the state. Now lawmakers in Lansing are pushing at the federal level to get Michiganders vaccinated first. The exact rollout date of the COVID-19 vaccine is still in question, but we know it's coming soon.
Looks like it's going to be available by the end of the month.
Senator Dale ZORN is urging the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to vaccinate Michigan first through this resolution. He says it's a must due to the enormous impact of COVID-19 in the state. A grim toll of more than 10,000 have died from the coronavirus since the beginning of the pandemic.
I'm asking that Michigan be part of the model program.
Pfizer says their vaccine is 95% effective. The company was expected to ship 100 million doses around the world, but today they're cutting that number in half. They say raw materials were found in early production that didn't meet its standards. Infectious disease Dr. Monto on 7 Up Front at 7 says the vaccines will be safe.
I don't think there are any real concerns. There are side effects. A lot of people have aching in their arm, maybe not feeling very well for a day and a half. These are acceptable side effects given the level of protection we get.
Former President Obama, Bush, and Clinton say they take the COVID-19 vaccine shot on camera to boost confidence once it becomes available.
Would you take it yourself?
I would take it. I would do my own personal research on the vaccine.
State health officials expect the vaccine to be ready in 2 weeks. First in line, nursing home residents and healthcare workers. In Wayne County, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you much, Rudy.